Affiliate marketing has become a lucrative opportunity for individuals looking to generate passive income online. By partnering with established brands and promoting their products, affiliate marketers can earn commissions for each sale they generate. To help you kickstart your affiliate marketing journey, we have compiled a list of the top 5 profitable niches to target for maximum profit. Number 1. Health and wellness. The health and wellness industry has experienced exponential growth in recent years, driven by increasing consumer awareness and the desire for a healthier lifestyle. As an affiliate marketer in this niche, you can promote a wide range of products, including supplements, fitness equipment, healthy recipe books, and exercise programs. With a diverse audience actively seeking ways to improve their well-being, this niche offers tremendous potential for high commission earnings. Number 2. Personal finance. Managing personal finances effectively is a priority for many individuals. By diving into the personal finance niche, you can offer valuable insights and promote financial products that assist people in saving money, budgeting, investing, and improving their financial well-being. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote credit cards, online investment platforms, budgeting tools, or financial education courses. With attractive commission rates in the financial sector, your earnings potential can be substantial. Number 3. Technology and gadgets. The ever-evolving world of technology presents an abundance of opportunities for affiliate marketers. By targeting the tech-savvy audience, you can promote the latest smartphones, laptops, gaming accessories, smart home devices, and other tech gadgets. With the continuous release of innovative products, there is a constant demand for information and recommendations. Capitalize on this niche by providing in-depth reviews, comparisons, and informative content to entice potential buyers. Number 4. Beauty and fashion. The beauty and fashion industry has an enormous consumer base, making it an attractive niche for affiliate marketers. People are constantly seeking recommendations for cosmetics, skincare products, fashion accessories, and clothing brands. With the rise of influencers and the impact of social media, you can leverage this trend by partnering with relevant brands and promoting their products through engaging content. By providing honest reviews, styling tips, and tutorials, you can capture the attention of fashion-conscious consumers and earn enticing commissions. Number 5. Home and DIY improvement. As more people spend time at home, the home improvement niche has gained significant momentum. Homeowners are eager to enhance their living spaces, leading to increased demand for home decor, DIY tools, smart home devices, and home improvement courses. By targeting this niche, you can create content that guides users through DIY projects, shares creative ideas, and recommends products to improve their homes. As homeowners invest in their living spaces, you can earn attractive commissions by providing them with valuable recommendations and solutions. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a dynamic field that offers endless possibilities for those seeking to earn income online. By focusing on these top 5 profitable niches: health and wellness, personal finance, technology and gadgets, beauty and fashion, and home and DIY improvement, you can tap into lucrative markets and maximize your earning potential. Remember to conduct thorough research, understand your target audience, and consistently provide valuable content. By staying updated with the latest trends and adapting your strategies accordingly, you can position yourself for success in the world of affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can create a highly profitable business without the need for a physical store, your own products, or concerns about storage, shipping, and product sourcing. Simply learn effective marketing strategies for promoting products and services, and enjoy the passive income that follows. There will be a link in the description if you are interested in learning top marketing strategies for online business and affiliate marketing success from industry experts, as well as an opportunity to promote a revolutionary all-in-one business building software, an all-in-one marketplace, and a social media platform that prioritizes authenticity and community building. At Online Business App, we believe in empowering entrepreneurs and helping them achieve their goals by providing them with the tools and resources they need to succeed. Our software and marketplace make it easy for anyone to start and grow their online business, plus you can earn 25% commissions for life inside of our affiliate program. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you may have. To stay updated with future videos exploring exciting affiliate marketing strategies and niches, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on the latest tips and trends in the world of affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes from continuous learning, adapting to changes, and taking action. So, stay motivated, keep exploring new opportunities, and let's achieve maximum earnings together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.